very special day. Do you know why? Let's find out together. Easter is a happy day. It's when we celebrate Jesus. Jesus shared a special meal with his friends. Jesus showed his big love by giving his life for us. 3 days later, something amazing happened.
Jesus is alive, oh he lives, oh he lives. He loves me so much, oh he gives, oh he gives. Sing it loud, dance and groove, feel the vibe. Jesus is alive, oh he's by my side. He walks with me every day, lights my path, shows me the way. Hands up high, let's shout and cheer. Jesus is alive, he's always near. Jump up and spin, tell a friend or two. Jesus loves me and he loves them too. Feel the joy, let it out, don't delay. Jesus is alive, let's celebrate today.
We can sing, yay, dance, hooray, and say thank you to Jesus. Praise Jesus. Jesus loves you so much. That's the best Easter gift of all. Jesus is so good. Jesus showed us the greatest love. When we love others, we follow his example. Jesus is alive. We can have joy in our hearts every single day. Jesus lives. You are loved. Happy Easter, little one. If you love our digital storybook, be sure to like and subscribe so we can keep creating more for you. And don't forget to download your Special Fruit Friends Easter coloring page. Just click the link in the description.